Hi, it's Texas. I'm CBS 19 Chief Meteorologist Brett Anthony. Thanks for watching CBS 19 Plus. We are expecting a cooler night tonight. Last night really didn't materialize as a cool night as we expected. It stayed in the 60s all night long thanks to the cold front just taking longer to get into East Texas. So we ended up having kind of a dewy morning. I expect the morning tomorrow morning to be maybe a little dewy, but it certainly should be cooler. We'll have a north wind at 5 to 10, plenty of clouds, and also tomorrow morning we may find a few rain showers across the area. Notice the temperature spread, though. Again, we have the cold front settling in this evening and overnight tonight, but it makes it just down to about Crockett, Nacogdoches, and Center, where you can see temperatures in the mid-50s. Upper 50s south of that boundary. North of that boundary, we're talking upper 40s at Mineola and Gilmer, 49. A cool morning up at Mount Pleasant, 46 degrees, with that north wind at 5 to 10 over toward Jefferson and Marshall. Overnight lows right around 49 degrees. That's still above average. The average low is 43. The record low, 21. We're not going to get anywhere close to that. Here's the 10-day temperature trend. So temperatures in the low 50s here as we head through the weekend, and then upper 50s into next week. There is a cooler morning headed our way as we finish up February on Tuesday. March starts with temperatures warming back up again above average. Tuesday the 2nd, well above average, and then cooler and closer to average by the first weekend of March. Around the 3rd, 4th, and 5th, temperatures are falling closer to normal. 10-day temp trend when it comes to daytime highs. Tomorrow will be a cooler day. Cloudy day, again, a few rain showers early in the day, maybe a sprinkle in the afternoon, but a 30% chance early, 20% chance later on. The front moves back to the north on Saturday, so we warm back up to 65. Sunday, the front is well north of us. It's up north of the Red River, so we're up to 77. Then the cold front starts to move through again Sunday into Monday, so we cool back down Monday to 74. That front washes out, and so we stay warm Tuesday and Wednesday. So we're starting March like a lamb, 75, nice, 70 on Thursday. We do have some rain showers, maybe a few thunderstorms moving in on Friday. That first weekend of March, we have temperatures warming back into the upper 60s to low 70s. So all in all, it's going to be a warmer than average next 10 days here in East Texas. Upper level winds still tracking big storm system out to the west. Major snowstorm going on across the northern plains. Minneapolis expecting and getting some blizzard conditions. We have warm southwesterly winds here. This storm system will dig into the southwest, bring in some moisture, a lot of wind energy with it. Saturday, again, high pressure is off the coast starting to nose its way northward, so that's why we dry out and warm up. And as we do, this storm system ejects out into the plains. Look at all of this wind. That dark red area would suggest a very powerful jet stream aloft, bringing in lots of energy, lots of lift in the atmosphere, and the possibility of severe weather. The severe weather area that is outlined now from the Storm Prediction Center now includes Dallas and a portion of north central Texas, just a little sliver of Hopkins County. And then Oklahoma City now it would be in the bullseye. That's the enhanced risk area. And again, that is Sunday night into Monday morning. I'll show you a future skycast. We may have some gusty rain showers or thunderstorms coming through here early Monday morning as a cold front moves through and a line of showers and thunderstorms forms out to the west. We'll get into that in just a second. But as we zoom in here, you can see Dallas is kind of on the southern edge of that slight risk. So Tyler, Texarkana, we might get into a marginal risk of severe weather Monday morning, so overnight into Monday morning. Weekend rain chances, again, once the front gets north of our area Saturday, we're dry, into Sunday dry, but then by Sunday night, now we're talking anywhere from about a 10 to 30% chance of rain across the region. And then Sunday night into Monday, a better chance of rain. In fact, right now, Tyler looks like it's in a 60% chance of rain band. Henderson is in that 50% chance of rain. Lufkin, Nacogdoches Center in the 40% chance of rain. You go back toward Dallas, and it's a 70% chance for showers. So showers are likely back to our north and to our northwest. So tomorrow morning, again, it's a 30% chance of rain, and then overnight into Saturday. Saturday, it's rain, it's mist, it's drizzle. It looks like most of this is going to happen pre-dawn, And then once we get into Saturday afternoon, we dry out. Sunday's just a 20% chance of rain until later in the day. And then Monday morning, it's a 50% chance of rain. It dries out quickly. Monday night looks spectacular. Tuesday looks fantastic. Wednesday looks fantastic. And then we bring in another storm system for Thursday with a 60% chance of rain. All right, so here's Future Skycast. We'll start this late tonight. We have a few showers, deep East Texas, at least being picked and depicted by the models. These will kind of congeal and start to move back and forth across the area with the frontal boundary. So the frontal boundary is kind of draped near Tyler Friday afternoon, or a little bit south. That's why we'll have a few showers. And then Saturday morning, and again, this is probably overdone. This shows what you would, when you look at it, you'd think, oh, these are widespread showers. The resolution of this data is very low. So essentially what this means is that anywhere in the green area, it could rain. Anywhere in the darker green area, you might have a heavier shower, maybe a little better organized activity in terms of rain. So higher rain chances in that darker green area and lighter, if not any chances of rain in that light green. Anyway, Saturday afternoon, you see how it dissipates. And then Sunday morning, and I'm not real convinced that this is going to happen unless this is fog and drizzle, which is a real possibility. But Sunday night, there it is. That's the line I'm talking about. Sunday night at 11, we could have some severe thunderstorm warnings along this line up from Dallas to east of Oklahoma City. And then that would weaken as it moves to the east. But we have to keep an eye on it because it could still have a little bit of a punch as it moves into East Texas late Sunday night, early Monday morning. All right, so next 2 days. This does include Thursday. So Thursday, Friday, this is how much rain is forecast. So perhaps 1/100 of an inch to 1/10 to 1/4 of an inch. Most of that, again, is Tyler up to Longview. That's those passing showers that we talk about. If we key in on Saturday alone, notice that there are no rainfall totals showing up. But then we go into Sunday and Monday, and now we have the rain moving back in from the northwest. So I would say a few showers Friday, Saturday's likely dry, Sunday into Monday, better chance for rain. Next 7 days, rain totals range from 1/100 of an inch up to about a 1/2 inch. That's been pretty consistent data here of late. All right, hour by hour tomorrow, a few passing showers from time to time. Otherwise, temperatures only in the mid-50s, and it will be gray. Mount Pleasant might not get out of the 40s tomorrow. The cooler air certainly moving closer to Interstate 30. 55 in Tyler, lower 60s though at Henderson, and 70s perhaps tomorrow at Nacogdoches. So I showed you a 21-degree temperature spread from north to south across the area tomorrow. Here's the Baylor Scott and White Texas Spine Joint Hospital 10-day forecast. Cool day tomorrow with showers possible. Showers, fog, and mist Saturday 65. Sunday 77. And then Monday, isolated thunderstorms and another chance of rain middle part of next week. Thanks for watching CBS 19+.